So now students, today we are going to start with, you can say with notice writing. As some of the students, they were having problem on that day. Some problem was there. Yes, Samrat, before I start, you can ask your question.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
वॉइस आपको ही नहीं आ रही, बाकी को तो क्लियर है बेटा. Check out your connection please. Rest it is clear. Okay. Just now I conversated with Suhana. It was quite clear to her
मैम
also.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
I said it is not clear to you but to the rest of the students. So now today we are going to start with notice writing. Okay. So notice writing. First of all, you have to draw a box. Okay. Draw a box. You will. Okay. Then in the center, you will write down name of the institution. Okay. You can underline it. Then leave line. Write down the word notice. Underline it. Here, corresponding to it, you can write down date. Right? Then after writing the date, then heading, leave line here, heading or title in capital letters, fine, and then afterwards, right? So after writing heading or title, next afterwards the body of notice. In body of notice, what you can write down? What, where, when, and objective, or means why. Why this event is going to be organized or why this meeting is going to be held. Okay. Then details. You are writing, for example, the details are as under time, place, venue. You will also write down time, place, venue, and then after that, special instructions. You will add on related to it. You will also write down some special instructions. Then for the last line, what will be your last line? For further information, contact undersigned. Contact undersigned. Okay, so this you are writing, students. Then last, your name in running hand, your name in capital letters. This is in capital. And then here, designation. You will write down designation. Okay. So I hope that now the format is quite clear to you. If yes, just raise up your hands. Put your thumbs up. Okay, fine. Put your thumbs up. Okay, fine. It's clear. Good. Thank you very much, students. Now, let us do one more notice. Okay. On that day, we have done for a meeting. Now, today, we will write a notice on a celebration to be held. Suppose Sports Day celebration, right? So, write a notice. Write down the question, please, in your notebooks. Write a notice. Write a notice for the sports celebrations. Write a notice for the sports celebrations going to be held I'm not rubbing it because in the light of it we have to discuss the question. Okay, I will utilize this space otherwise. Write a notice for sports celebration or sports day celebration लिखो. For sports day celebration to be held in the school, to be held in the school, you are sports secretary and write a notice for it. Write a notice for it. You are a sports secretary, write a notice for it. Okay, so I'm just giving you 1 minute to note down this question. Just note down the question. Write a notice for sports day celebration to be held in the school and you are sports secretary and you are the sports secretary of the school. Yes. Yes, your doubt please. Mishti
मैम
and Arjun.
मैम ये हमने फेयर नोटबुक में करना है.
Yes, yes, do it in fair. Yes, Arjun.
मैम मैम ये जो आपने मैम हेडिंग वगैरह लिखा है मैम इसमें हमने लिखना क्या है हेडिंग और टाइटल में?
Heading or title में this I am discussing in this question. This then you will get. Okay, right? So now this is the reason why I have not rubbed it out. So I hope that the question is written. Okay. So now let us start with the notice. So first of all, name of the institution, your school. So then you can write down ABC Public School, Jalandhar. If you don't want to mention the name of your school, or you can also write down Swami Sandas Public School, Jalandhar, comma Jalandhar. Jalandhar में आपने don't write down JAL, write down complete word Jalandhar, JALANDHAR. Leave line, write down the word notice. On the left hand side, date, then again leave line, heading or title. So what is this heading or title? Raise up your hand, those who can answer me, so that I can unmute you. Anybody can answer? Okay, yes, Rishita.
Yes मैम, स्पोर्ट्स डे सेलिब्रेशन.
Very good. So what it will be sports day celebrations. Okay, sports day celebrations. So now Arjun, I think you have got what is to be written in this heading or title. If yes, put your thumbs up. Okay, good. So heading or title means what we are going to organize. According to it, we have to write it down. So this is sports day celebration. Then what, where, when happens? Sports day celebration is going to be organized in the school for classes 6 to 12. Okay, for 6 to 12, in order to for sports celebrations or sports events, you can write down here in this manner. Sports events are going to be organized in the school in order to celebrate sports day. Okay, what sports events? Where? In the school. Okay, when this and objectives to celebrate sports day, to celebrate sports day, right? So this we have to write down. Now the details are as follows. Timing 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. In bracket, if you want to mention 2 days, mention the days, Friday and Saturday. In bracket, you can also write down 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. In bracket, mention Friday and Saturday. Okay. So, place, school playground or school assembly ground. Sorry, date I have to mention. I have missed one point. Here it should be date. Okay, so there what we have to write down? We have to write down date. Date, which date? Whatever you want to write down. For example, next Friday and Saturday you can write down, or after 15 days. That is completely upon your wish. Venue means place where it is going to be held. It is going to be held in the school assembly ground. You will write down here. So special instructions. What special instructions can be there? Just give your points. Yes, Bhavya, unmute yourself. Yes. Yes, Bhavya, what points you can include in special instructions? Can you tell? Yes, Bhavya, what points can be included? Can you tell? Okay, Nitya. Yes, Nitya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what points in special instructions we can include?
Ma'am, we can include that there we play basketball or
Very
table
good.
tennis.
Various kind of games like basketball, volleyball, dash, dash, dash means different type of games. Then other point.
Ma'am, we do functions like songs,
That will
dance.
be drills. Okay, that is going to be drill. Okay, drills. Yes, drills for the students. Next, Bhavya.
Then
Can you have muted yourself? Next,
There will be races also.
races. Which races you will mention? Okay, races 100 meter, 200 meter.
Ma'am, sprint.
Huh?
Sprint of 100 meter.
Which kind of uniform to be worn? Okay,
Sports uniform will be provided to all the students.
what will be provided?
Ma'am, sports day uniform.
Sports day
ये उधर pencil बढ़ाइए.
white uniform, track pants with special sports shoes. ठीक है? And
Yes.
students will bring lunch and fruits. Okay, lunch and fruits they will bring. Okay, right? So,
मैम मैंने एक और चीज पूछनी थी.
yes.
मैम ये जो आपने टाइम डेट और वेन्यू लिखा है, मैम ये ऐसे ही हाइफन डाल के लिखना है.
Yes, yes, like time, for example, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in this manner, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Date, for example, 27, and if 2 days are, then 27 and 28 April 2021. If 1 day, then 1 date. Venue, assembly ground. Okay? Now clear? In this
Yes,
manner. Now clear? Right.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. So we were discussing now special instructions. Let us write down special instructions. Next paragraph you have started. So there will be different type of matches. For example, basketball, volleyball, badminton, and roller skating. Okay, and table tennis. There will be special drills to be presented by the students of different houses, and also races of 100 meter and 200 meter. All the students will come in their track pants or in sports uniform provided by the school with sports shoes. Students will also bring their lunch and fruits for refreshment, and right, then afterwards, then you have to write down, give your names to your class in charges. All the interested students may give their names or may submit their names to their class in charges by, for example, 19 है आप लिख लो, 20th of April positively. Okay. For further information, contact undersigned. Then afterwards your name in running hand, then your name in capital letters, at the end signatures. So write. Clear? Put your thumbs up if yes. Okay, Rishita, you want to ask something? Nitya and Rishita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
मैम
beta.
आई वांट टू आस्क दिस, जब हमने मैम ये लिखना है कि वेरियस गेम्स आर देयर, तब मैम जैसे हमने स्पेशल इंस्ट्रक्शंस हाइफन डाल के लिखना है कि सीधा ऐसे लिख देना?
Special instruction सीधी. Special in मैंने dash 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 डाला. For example, it means that you have to write in continuity like this. Let me tell you. For example, the student, there will be different kind of matches. Okay, so in this manner, I'm not supposed to write down everything now. This is the reason why I have put the hyphen there. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So there will be one paragraph of those special, but don't exceed the limit. Don't write too long. Just talk to the point what is required and write down. Okay? Now clear?
ओके मैम. यस मैम.
Like you have done for lost and found. Right? So now clear? So now it is clear?
यस मैम.
Okay, good. So question you have also noted? Yes, should I rub it down? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
for any kind of event, celebration to be held. Okay, for example, similarly, if there will be Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi celebrations in your school. So let us formulate for it. Rakhi celebration, you are not supposed to write in notebook. This is just a revision for today's test. Suppose name of the institution, Swami Sandas Public School Jalandhar, notice and date, heading. What will be the heading here? Rakhi celebrations. What will be the heading? Rakhi celebrations. So now what, where and when happened and objective? There will be Rakhi celebrations going to be held in the school in order to develop the feelings of brotherhood and sisterhood among children, in order to develop moral values among students. You can simply write down why we celebrate Rakhi. In order to develop moral values among children, simply write in order to develop moral values among children. So the details are as under: time 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Date 27. Date you can write down any. Okay, venue school assembly ground. So what will be there? There will be a special house show to be presented by, suppose, dash and dash Mahadevi Verma house, and all the students will come in their civil uniform, in their color uniform, and there will be competitions of, there will be various competitions, for example, Rakhi making and Rakhi decoration. Okay, so all the students will come up in their proper uniform. Okay, so students will bring their own material in order to participate in the competition, and students, interested students may submit their names to their class in charges. For more information, contact undersigned. Okay, so that's it. Okay, suppose if it is not Rakhi celebration, there will be Rakhi making and Rakhi decoration competition during. So during this Raksha Bandhan celebration, so then what we can write down? There will be Rakhi making and Rakhi decoration competition in order to celebrate Raksha Bandhan day. Okay, so that the students will learn moral values related to our origin. So time mention, date you mention, venue again, school assembly ground or art room, wherever you want. The students will bring their own material. Okay, no ready-made items will be, or ready-made items will be disqualified competition, will be disqualified from the competition. Innovative and creative ideas will be highly appreciated. These things so you daily notice, you daily read in the notices which are given by the school. Okay, will be highly appreciated, and the interested students, they may submit their names to their class in charges by mention the date, by which date, and for further information contact undersigned. Right? So clear this one also? Yes, students, tell me it is clear. Right? Yes, Bani, your question please. You have raised up the hand.
यस मैम, जो आपने भी दोनों नोटिस करवाया मैम, उसमें से फर्स्ट वाला लिखना है फेयर में.
Speak again.
मैम, जो आपने अभी दोनों नोटिस करवाए हैं उसमें से स्पोर्ट्स डे वाला लिखना है सिर्फ फेयर में.
Sports day one only has to be written in the notebook. Eva is joining. Okay?
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Right? So, this notice you have to write in. It means 2 notices now you have to write down in your fair notebooks. So, the one we have done on that day, right? And that was for Earth Day celebration, and now we have done Sports Day celebration. That was for a meeting. Okay, that was just for a meeting. But this is for what? This is for any kind of celebration. 2 different, means one we have done of meeting and one we have done of celebration to be held in the school premises. Okay, and for that other one we have also you can say we have also done the practice and other video. Okay, that is of notice writing. It has also been uploaded at ssdpsjal.online. Okay, so we have done that. So I don't think so any problem, and for your reference also we have revised it today. Okay, so now I'm going to rub it down as we are going to revise the chapter. 3 important questions. Okay. Next, we are going to revise the chapter. 3 important questions as we are having the test of it today. So, 3 important questions. What is the story outline? That in the story, there is a king who wanted to get the answer of his 3 important questions. That what is the important time for him, and who is most important people, and ultimately what is the right time. So he asked various wise men, but he did not get any answer. Finally, he went to a sage hermit who was digging the ground. When he went there, the sage did not answer his questions directly. When the king saw a wounded man, he dressed up the wounds of the man and took care of him and helped him to survive his life. Then the hermit, he replied him that it was only the right time to spend with that man. The first important thing is the man you have attended, and to do good with that person is the most important thing you have to do. So in this manner, he got the answers of his 3 important questions. So that was just a short overview of all the of the topic and the topics of the test today that we are going to take today, right?